Keep quiet. Now look.
You.
Connor.
You recording me?
Yeah, do you food then?
Right then, people. This is your local chef, Connor Leeds, and we are going to do this thing for the first time.
That's it,
Yeah.
not then.
Okay.
Do you want to do it in view, mate? Bring it over to this side with the can opening. That's it, darling. Come on, you can't do it.
Right then.
Show everyone what you're doing, what you're opening.
We're opening this thing, you know. Mom.
Yeah.
How do I do it?
Come on, you can do it. Come on, mate.
You're wasting your gas, you know.
Forget the gas, it's not even important. This is important, watching you do this. Come on. You can do it, mate. It's not hard to open a can. Come on now. Look at me, let me, look. He's 12 years old. Hang on, he's trying a bit. Right, watch. It doesn't, listen, slow down. He's 12 years old and he can't open a can opener.
June.
Wow. I love you, Connor. Right, you open it and then you, look at me. Open the can opener. Right, now you see the pointy bit that goes over? Not the ball thing that goes at the bottom. Yeah, that goes over the lid. No, over the bottom. No. Look.
Oh.
Like that. Now stab it in. Hold it real tight. Come on, you can do it.
Yeah, done.
No, you got to open all of it, so keep turning. Hold it tight, turn. Come on, you can do it.
It's not even doing anything.
Come on, you've got to turn, because you've got to unattach it and then reattach it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, constantly. It's not difficult, mate.
Yeah, if this.
Come on. No. Stop. You're going too fast for the thing. You need to slow down. How long it takes him to open a can, we'll never know. Supposed to be the king of the world, and really. Everyone's got to learn somewhere, right? Go on, son.
Go on, Connor.
Try again. Clip it back.
As the crowd cheers, Connor opened up his can. Mom, this thing ain't even open.
It will. Come here, let me help you. Come here. Come on, let me help you. Move out my way a second. Now this is how you open a can. You go like this, like this. Oh no. Do like this.
How?
It's not.
Let me do
No, darling, there's actually. No, you ain't ready. You ain't ready. When you're big enough, you got more experience than me. You can come back to me and step up, right? Yeah. See that thing gone over your foot, yeah.
You're not even funny.
I don't know, I'm trying to help you. Just swimming, we know what we're doing.
Right, now just pour this.
But I'll get a spoon. Come on, son, you can do it. Get a spoon inside it, drag it out gently. I don't want it all around my kitchen plate. Go slower, 'cause it's not catching you properly. That's it. Come on, son, you can do it. So you can. How old are you, Connor?
12.
Right, look at the camera. Tell everyone your date of birth.
18th of November 2004.
Right, now he's very proficient in computers, laptops, anything electronical. I'm going to drop beans on the floor now, I'm going to screw it. Right, that's it, mate.
Right.
Now turn the heat down on the oven. Come on, turn the knob down. No, the knob is on. That's it. Now turn it halfway. Perfect. That's it. No, it's too much. No, that's it. Because you don't want it too much because otherwise it'll burn. No, just keep it on you so gently. Not where you're going to hurt the eardrums, please, mate.
Look at this. This is through the top.
You need to do a circle 8. Look at me.
It's all touching the bottom, though, look.
It's meant to, what? Yeah, it's meant to, Connor. Watch me. You do it, hold the arm holding the spoon. You do a circle 8, you get all of it off the bottom, doesn't it? That's it, like that, you say, do it. It's easy, do what I do. No, hold it as I hold it. Come on, you can do it. Circle 8, get all of it mixed. Then you just keep going. What's your name? I'll get the camera so everyone you know.
My name is Connolly.
Where'd you come from?
You.
Who's you?